Hi everyone. In this video, I would like to discuss how to record a voiceover and also how to add subtitles to your video. So let's say for example, you have created a nice video and you want to post it on Instagram or YouTube. So what you have to do is you may have to do some narration. Okay. So let's say there is this video here. I can simply upload this video on Instagram or YouTube. But if you add your voiceover or narration by giving some message, then it is going to give some authenticity or it will give some natural feeling to the people who are watching your videos. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show how you can narrate your voice. So there is this nice software called Audacity. Okay, the software is called Audacity. You can install it on your computer. Once it is installed, the interface looks like this. All you need to do is you have to click on the record button and you have to narrate the voice. So for me, I want to narrate for this particular video. Okay, this is the video and I would like to narrate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to simply click on record button. Okay, record. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. And I have stopped it. So I have recorded my line or message. I'm going to replay it now and see how it goes. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. So if you are satisfied with the audio, all you need to do is click on file and click on export audio. Okay, click on export audio and select on your computer, export to computer. I'm going to save it on desktop. Alright, so once the audio file is ready, now it is time to edit. I have a software called CapCut. Okay, this is a software that I am using to edit the videos. So you can find this software on the internet. It is called CapCut. It is very famous. After you download and after you install it on your computer, you can use this software to do some editing. So I'm going to edit this video now using this particular tool. Okay, so the interface looks like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click on import so that I can import the files. So this is the video. I'm going to select it. I'm going to click on open. See, the video is imported successfully. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on import once again and I'm going to import the audio file that we have just created. Okay, so this is the audio file that we have just created. I'm going to select it. So we have video ready, we also have audio ready. So I'm going to bring it to the timeline. I am also going to bring the audio file to the timeline. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do some editing now. I'm going to do some editing. I'm going to bring it like this and I'm going to keep it like this. Now I'm going to play and see how it goes. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. Okay, it looks nice. If you want to add the titles or subtitles, all you need to do is you need to click on text here. Click on text, click on default text. Okay, so it says default text here. I'm going to take it to the left and I need to simply type the text here. I'm going to type the text here. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. And I'm going to expand it till here and I'm going to minimize the font size. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. So we have the subtitles, but it is in the middle of the video. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down. Just click on it and drag it down. Okay, drag it down. Now we see the subtitles here. But the subtitles, let me play the video once again. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. We see the subtitles, but it is white in color. So it is basically what is happening is we have to use a different color so that viewers or audience who watch your video can actually see the letters or see the information. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to change the color. I'm going to, let's say, keep it red. Red, which one looks good? Maybe green. No, not green. Maybe red. Yeah, red looks okay. So what you can do is you can test it like this. Let's say you are editing the video and at some point in time if something is not matching, then you can use different colors to match the video. Okay, now I'm going to leave it like this. I'm going to play the video one last time. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. All right, it looks good now. Now here comes the interesting thing. We have given the narration. We have also given the titles or captions. At any point in time, if you wish to add music to your video, you have YouTube library. Okay, you have YouTube audio library where you have a lot of free audio files that you can use to edit your videos, or you can upload it to your videos. So you can use this free music or few free audio files to edit your videos. So let's say for example, if you click on it, you have genre here. If you click on genre, you have ambient, cinematic, classic. So depending upon your video, you can select that particular option and you can select those. You can download those audio files and you can add them to your video. Okay, so what I'm going to do is, let's say for example I want to use this from here on. Let me click on it. Okay, this looks okay. I'm going to download it. Okay, the file is downloaded onto my computer. I'm going to click on import here and I'm going to select the file that we have just downloaded. So this is the file that we have just downloaded. I'm going to add this to the timeline. Okay, I'm going to add this to the timeline and I'm going to edit the video. I'm going to make it short. Okay, so this is more than enough. Okay, all good. I'm going to play the video now and see how it goes. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. The voice is very loud. I'm going to click on the audio file here. From here, this is the audio file. I'm going to click on it and you see an option called volume here. I'm going to simply reduce the volume. Okay, I'm going to simply reduce the volume. Now let's play the file and see. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. We definitely listen to the audio in the background, but it is very low. I'm going to simply increase it. Now let's see how it goes. Sometimes the softest moments hold the greatest beauty. Alright, everything looks good at this point in time. I'm happy with the video. All you need to do is you need to click on export. Click on export and click on export once again, and it is going to be saved on your computer and you can share it on YouTube, or if you want to share it on other social media platforms, you can do it. So I'm going to cancel it at this point in time because this is a very long video, but we have covered a lot of good details in this video. I really hope you find this information helpful. Thank you very much for watching. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye bye.